Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and today I am going to be teaching you how you can be able to start up your own hair business without money. Yes, this is 2026 and you basically don't need money to start up your own hair business. I've been in the hair industry for about 8 years. November this year is going to make it 8 years, and trust me, I started with no money, and today I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step process on how you too can actually start up your own hair business without money. A lot of people feel like you need to have a lot of money to stack inventories, or to stack up these hairs before you can be able to start up your own hair business. But that is a lie, and so I'm going to break it down to you for every single step. If you like content around this, kindly go ahead and subscribe, because on here I share with you basic tips on how to set up your own hair business, how to get customers, how to sell, and how to smile to the bank with your profit. Okay, you guys, so quickly let's dive right into today's video. Don't forget to also give this video a huge thumbs up. So the first thing I'm going to advise anyone that wants to start up their own business, hair business precisely, whether you have the knowledge of hair or whether you don't have the knowledge of the hair business, is to collaborate with an existing hair vendor. Now you guys, this is going to make it simple, very, very simple for you to cash out when you are getting into the hair industry, because of course any industry you're about to get into, you need to have a knowledge of how this industry works. But of course it is not going to be a limitation for you starting up if you have someone that already knows all of this or that has this particular knowledge. So instead of you going to learn this knowledge, you will actually pick the brain of somebody that is already in the industry. This is you cutting time, and this is you just going straight to making this profit. Okay, you guys, what you have to do is to make sure that this vendor is actually a person that is trustworthy, somebody that sells quality hairs, and somebody that has actually been in the hair industry for some period of time or for a good amount of time, that knows his or her onions in the hair industry. Because you don't want a situation where this person does not know the nooks and crannies of the hair business. Whatever downfall that is going to come in future is also going to affect you, right? And we don't want that. So you want to make sure that you go with somebody that has vast knowledge of how the industry works. Now once you do this, you want to partner with this person or collaborate with this person, in the sense that you can talk to people who wants to buy hairs, right? You can have an agreement of percentage or have an agreement of a kind of commission or whatever. This person pays you anytime you bring in clients. That's how it works. Now for a period of time, of course, you are bringing in these clients, this person is paying you your profit, or this person is giving you commission. That is now your profit. Now when you get your profit, you are going to be saving your profit. You are not eating your profit, okay? You are saving your profit. Once you save your profit to a particular point, you can actually tell this vendor to teach you step-by-step process on how to start the hair business, how to identify this product, what you need to do, when it comes to starting this hair business. This is another step for you to take. Now if you don't want to go directly into starting like that, you can actually go by starting or picking a skill around the hair business, such as wigging, ventilation, hair revamping. Any skill that surrounds the hair business, you want to actually pick on that. Now when you pick on that skill, learn it properly. This is you entering into the hair market, but from a soft landing, right? Or whether you pay this vendor to learn the in and out of this hair business, or you pick a skill or you learn a skill in the hair business to actually delve into the hair business. This is you actually acquiring knowledge to venture into the hair business without spending your own money. Remember that the goal is for us to not use money to start as a capital. So once you get your commission from your vendor, right, you learn the hair business from your vendor with your profit, or you go and learn a skill around the hair business with your profit that you have made. And then the next thing you want to do is to come up and build a social media presence. People will have to know you for them to be able to buy from you, right? Yes, it's going to take a little while for you to build your social media presence, but yes, you need your social media for you to be able to get your message across, or for you to be able to get clients, especially in this age and time. A lot of businesses are coming on the social media space because this is where it happens right now, or this is where it's happening right now. If you want to get customers, if you want to build trust for your business, if you want to make people see more of your business, right, you have to be on social media. Now get on social media, whether Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever social media you decide to choose. Get on social media and start building your presence. Now you can start by teaching people, right, what they need to know about hairs, how to identify hairs, or if maybe you are going through the skill route, you can teach people how to revamp, you can teach people how to take care of their hairs, product they can apply on their hairs, and all of those good stuff. All of these educational videos or educational tips are going to bring in people that are interested in hairs, and before you know it, they are going to be patronizing you. People are going to be asking you, oh, this hair you just spoke about, do you have it? I want to buy it. Before you know, you start having your customers. Now another thing I'm going to talk about when it comes to, you know, getting into this hair business and all that, making profits and getting customers, is building trust. You cannot make any sale in the hair business without building trust first. Once you've gotten a social media account, what you want to do is to build trust, and like I said, educational tips or educational videos are exactly what you need to build trust between you and your existing customers or your future customers, right? Another thing a lot of people don't take really seriously is customer service. And you guys, customer service is everything when it comes to selling anything. Any business you enter into or you want to venture into, you need a very good customer service. So you want to make sure that you have a very good customer service when it comes to, you know, starting the hair business, or when it comes to making sales in the hair business. Now once you have done all of these steps, the next thing you want to do is expand gradually. Do not, I repeat, do not stack hairs. Do not stack hairs. It is very, very risky to stack hairs, especially as a first timer in the hair business, because this, at that point that you are, you don't know the hairs that sells, you don't know what your customers' preferences will be, you don't know what the hair market wants at that particular time, because when it comes to hair business, it can be very, very diverse. Sometimes it will be booming with pixie curl, sometimes it will be booming with deep wave, sometimes it will be booming with bone straight and all of that. So you don't want to put your money into stacking bone straight hairs, and while the next phase of the hair boom is on deep wave hairs. I hope that makes sense. That is literally like the simplest example I can use to explain. But if you don't understand, leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know your questions in the comment section. I will answer you, okay? I am also open for collaborations in case you want to collab, you know, bring customers and, you know, start up the hair business, whatever, bring in customers, get commission or get paid. I am open to all of it. If you also want me to teach you everything you need to know about the hair business with my 8 years of experience, you know, and actually how to cash out easily from the hair business, also let me know in the comment section. If you are looking at buying quality hairs, quality human hairs, because that is what I sell, okay, go down to the description box. I'm going to leave the link to my WhatsApp number there, where an attendant is actually going to answer you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.